fuck with me, you fuck with your back.
Ya
Give me the fucking army, you understand me? Yeah? I took you out the fucking
Bak ceza, bücürü küçücük ufak ceza. Cesaretin gücü varsa kolpa gangsaysan çık karşıma. Türkiye devleti senin gibileri sınır dışı etmeli demedi. Kimse senin gibi rezil veledi. Hiç sevmedi, kabul etmedi. Kulaklarında patlayan bu mikrofonda katlayan. Daha 20'sinde şapkalarla kel kafasını saklayan. Rockçıları sevmem dersin ama konserlerinde cirit atarsın. Para için ne yapmazsın sen? Utanmadan kendini satarsın. Elimi bağla dilim susmaz, rap savaşsa ben kurşunum. Bana laf atanı göz kırpmadan tam kalbinden vurmuşum. Kudurmuşum, gel de sustur dilimi susturabilirsen. Hadi gel oğlum durdur rüzgarın oğlunu durdurabilirsen. Türkçe rapın yüz karası, Üsküdar'ın soytarısı. Ay ben sen rapı bırak çünkü felaket vaksın ablası. Korkuluktan farkın yok, Pinokyo burnun kocaman ağzın. Emicik göğüsler erkeğe benzer, sana bir ameliyat lazım. Cezayı görenler jinekolog gibi hissederler kendini. Bülent Ersoy'un göğüsleri gibi, o da bir silikon fake'emsi. Liriklerimle rap dersi, bu rapimi dayadım alnına. Günah benden gitti, kilik kilik boom el Fatiha. Yeah, it ain't over yet, bitch. Yeah. What does it mean? You can't be feeding any questions. Leave this shit here and I will fuck you entertainment. My horn for rage and it's killing, I promise you. All the motherfucking Turkish underground take you. Even girls that time you people don't wanna date you. I saw your side, I beat you at the gate. When I got the microphone, you can't beat me. I'll kick your ass, man, please take it easy. You sound like a bitch and I swore like I understand. Jokes about you, yep, that's my funny time. Listen, makes a grace and I do it before. Listen, like, keep it moving, just be watching you go. Because it's all about the flow. Sorry, you don't have it, now to walk with me to the bathroom, I can grab it. Sorry, die, but the word must be heard. I'm like Freddy in dreams, I'm a king, I swear.
En yakın dost saydıklarım bile beni arkamdan vurmakta. Teşekkürler.
Yeah. Tears on the fucking mic, yeah. So listen up, yeah. Yeah, this is how it goes when you fuck with us. Turn around and go instead of get crushed. I keep my head up and not the way you do. But if you really want it to suck my dick, I approve. Fuck just I can't take my homeboy. Raise him and us two versus a homo. This song, we go around the world. Tears on the fucking mic, remember that word. If I were you, I will fly away and leave the mic left and never come back again. Run bitch, here we come for you. Come in, this is how we do. This is how I roll, this is my home. And I will show the whole world my home. And I will pump it up because we're afraid to get fucked. From Stockholm to Istanbul, showing real hip-hop.
Rage is here in a diss to rock ceza. Soon I wanna hear you scream, fuck ceza. I don't battle, I kill all the Turkish MCs. Beef with me, dog, yeah, that's the real shit. Full of shit is what you got and your track sucks, bitch. Shut the fuck up now, you're not a bad fight. Tight MCs, what people is calling me. Battle me, I'm gonna kill you in your side dreams.
Yeah, shit man, you play hard in Turkey? Yeah, come and try my town. Yes. Fuck just
Yeah.
yeah.